The natural depth of the New York-New Jersey harbor is around 19 feet. For most of this century, it required continuous dredging to keep it at its operational depth of 40 feet. Historically, this sediment was disposed of in the ocean. However, since 1992, due to more stringent testing and environmental concerns, ocean dumping has been halted. Harbor dredging virtually has come to a standstill, while all of the regional stakeholders are desperately trying to find a solution. Meanwhile, 180,000 jobs are in the balance. Commerce at the port, which was valued in 1995 at $93 billion, continues to decline as ships are using deeper ports such as Baltimore, Norfolk, and Halifax. Our solution proposes the construction of a permanent sediment processing facility for this region. This facility is a long-term, economically viable solution which can be constructed immediately. Let's take a look at the proposed facility and see how it would operate.
NUI's dredged material processing facility will be located on several parcels of land in Elizabeth, New Jersey. These parcels are in close proximity to both Howland Hook and Staten Island. This NUI site has been identified in several harbor area studies as a highly desirable location for a dredged material processing facility. Initial processing, including physical separation, dewatering, and solidification stabilization, will occur on NUI's Phase 1 location adjacent to the Arthur Kill. Each of these processes are well-proven techniques, off-the-shelf and readily available for fast startup and high production capacity, allowing Phase 1 processing to be operational during 1997. In addition, this superb waterfront location serves as an excellent receiving point to accommodate large quantities of dredged material arriving by barge. Dredged material suitable for immediate disposal may be sent to approved disposal sites by barge, rail, or truck. Material requiring further processing will travel across the Elizabeth River to the Phase 2 processing area. As a result of a long and successful history of industrial use and neighborhood support, this Phase 2 area is affectionately referred to as Erie Street. The central location of Erie Street, with easy access to Conrail's chemical coastline and the New Jersey Turnpike, will take advantage of an existing infrastructure, and in the near future, it may provide accessibility to a Staten Island rail link. NUI's integrated approach to dredged material processing will incorporate the NUI Dredged Material Management System. This approach will include a GPS or global positioning system to pinpoint the origin of the dredged material and lab analysis at our dockside laboratory to ensure the proper characterization of incoming material, appropriate processing, and disposal or beneficial end use. During Phase 1 physical processing, vibrating screens will separate large objects, trash, and debris from dredged material. Following screening, the dredged material will be dewatered and additional processing will be determined by the results of the laboratory analysis. Material that has been determined acceptable to meet selected specifications or disposal criteria may be loaded onto conveyors and then onto rail cars for transportation off-site. Dredged material found to have some environmental impact and requiring further processing will be treated at the Phase 1 area. A pug mill will mix dredged material with a stabilizing agent. The newly stabilized material may be suitable for several end uses, such as engineered fill or road building material. The treated material may then be transported by conveyor to rail cars and subsequently off-site for beneficial reuse. Our Phase 2 processing area, or Erie Street, geared to handle large volumes of dredged material requiring more extensive treatment, is located just 1,000 feet inland from the Arthur Kill. It is currently planned that the movement of dredged materials to Erie Street will be accomplished initially via closed-in conveyor system. In future years, transportation by barge or scow a short distance up the Elizabeth River may become a reality. Depending once again on the results of laboratory analysis, the dredged material would be unloaded and subjected to a selected suite of technologies. Technologies that have been proven to be environmentally safe and economically viable. Technologies that are capable of a throughput that will make a difference to the livelihood of our port. Options available at Erie Street include immediate off-site transport for those materials free of contamination, large-scale stabilization, a solvent extraction process, or other processing which may use large above-ground tanks or other treatment options. Other processing options could transform dredged material into usable end products or other beneficial end-use products. As processing is completed, NUI will once again take advantage of Erie Street's significant transportation infrastructure, moving processed material off-site by barge, truck, or rail via Chemical Coastline or Staten Island Line.
So you see, the real solution exists for ensuring the economic viability of our region by treating the majority of the sediment successfully at less than current costs. A permanent sediment processing facility is the only real solution. With NUI Corporation's proposal for a public-private partnership, this facility can be constructed immediately. NUI is actively collaborating with the Environmental Protection Agency, the Army Corps of Engineers, and the Department of Energy, Brookhaven National Laboratories, to develop this facility in Elizabeth, New Jersey. The advances of the 20th century certainly brought unparalleled growth for this nation, but not without some environmental cost to our waterways. Only by embracing a comprehensive harbor plan, which includes a permanent sediment processing facility, can we be guaranteed a healthy and competitive port for the 21st century.